I found me a turtle. Yeah, I gotta let him go. He's too big. But he's an eastern box turtle, and it's not a he. It's actually a she. I know an eastern box turtle, a she has brown eyes and a he has red eyes. So there's your lesson about an eastern box turtle. Ain't he cool or what? I mean she, my bad. She is cool. She is a pretty turtle. Say, I love turtles. You know that? Absolutely love turtles. I think they're the most fascinating creature. Like, they pack their home on their back. What's this? See? Oh, it's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm just petting you, huh? Yeah, you a good turtle. I'm sure anybody's scared of a frog and a turtle or a lizard. I don't dig snakes too much, but I'm not really like freak out when I see one or anything. They're just scared of us just as much as we are scared of them. Ain't that right there? Let's see, let's give her a name. What can I name her? Let's name you kind of a good name for you. I can't think. Let's name her. Anybody got a good name to name her? Let's name her Miranda. Hey Miranda, what's up? Miranda. There she goes. I wish I could find me a small one. If anybody finds a baby one like this eastern box turtle, would you please keep it for me? Because I have a little baby eastern box turtle I've had for 10 years. And I want to find her a mate so bad, but I never can find one. It's always the big ones. So I would greatly appreciate it if you find a baby eastern box turtle. I don't want no water turtles whatsoever. Eastern box turtle. Please keep it for me. Because I want it. You got the prettiest shell. So you got a beautiful shell. So you're a friendly turtle, right? Friendly. And we have a bird. There's the bird. There's the nest. Hi. Watch this. Yeah, you done to flog me, huh? I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you, huh? Child acts. Tries to lure you away from the nest. Anyhow, this would be great parenting skills for mothers. This bird to do anything for her babies. Anything. That's what a mother should do. Just like her. Somebody messed with my girl, I would break their jaw. Her, she'll pick you right between the eyes, you mess with her. Yeah. So it's a good mommy. Whoa, shit. Hey, you better watch it. You better not peck me. Yeah. I heard you. Watch this shit. I got a turtle in my pocket. Check it out. There's my turtle. Watch the mama. Here she comes. Stupid camera. Look at them big long legs. Watch this. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Okay. She is pissed off, Ben. She don't want nobody messing with her babies, and I don't blame her. So there you go, mothers out there. There's you some parenting skills for today. Watch this. She gonna get me good if I don't leave her alone. There she comes. Alright, I'm gonna leave you alone now.